In this video we are going to learn octant. So how to manage our Kubernetes cluster with a GUI. So if you want to manage your cluster with a GUI tools, like we have some paid tools like uh, lens IDE like that, so where we need to provide the commercial license. Open source won't available over there. So if you are going for a paid version, you can go with the lens IDE, but where you are looking for a open source uh, tool, so octant is the one, so which meet your requirements. So right now I just already downloaded octant in my computer, and I installed. So once you download octant and you install, so it will fetch your kubeconfig file, and then you are able to manage your cluster graphically. I mean, it's a GUI tool. So right now this is the octant tool. After the installation it will look like this. So whatever you want, you can go into either dark theme or light theme, page size, and this is my kubeconfig file location. And what other settings you want, you can do on whatever you are required. So right now at the top right corner you are able to see your context. Right now we are in EKS cluster related context, and it is in namespaces in default. If you want, you can upload any YAML file and you can create your application. So here we are able to see the workloads. Right now we are in default namespace. Let me choose a different namespace. So here we have AWS node, core DNS, queue proxy, like workloads are there. So with this it is showing two pods with OK status. So namespace overview. Right now we are in kube system namespace. So two daemon sets deployed and one deployment, and these are the pods. These are service config maps, service accounts, all the stuff over there. So if you click on this daemon set, it will give a summary and a complete info of that resource, and it will give how these are communicating also, even YAML file for these things. Same as we discussed, deployment jobs pod, all those things, discovery and load balancer, horizontal pod, autoscaler, or any ingress rules you have, you can do over here. If you want to create an ingress, you can simply apply your YAML like this, and this is a config map, storages, all the stuff. This are back. These are the event logs. So this is complete cluster overview. This is complete cluster overview, like so there are no port forward as of now. If you want, you can enable any plugins. As of now I don't have any plugins over here. So with this we are done with this octant. So if you want to manage your cluster graphically, and you want to monitor your cluster, what's going on in your cluster using a GUI tool, you are searching for a open source one. In octant is the one, and if you are going with a license version, lens is the preferable one. Thank you guys, thanks for watching my video.